Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. And for all my new viewers and subscribers, welcome to our family. In today's video, I'm unpacking what I brought from my trip and I will share one of my go-to spaghetti and minced beef recipes, so please stick around to the end. After weeks of travel-related fatigue, I've finally unpacked my bags and this is what I brought back with me. Due to luggage limitations and traveling with a toddler, I couldn't carry much. I left everything I couldn't carry with a family member to send them later. Also missing in this video are the snacks which we finished before making this video. What you see here is what I'll be using as I wait to receive the rest of the items. I bought spices, margarine and loose black tea. Here I have some Magadi soda, hibiscus flowers and mabuyu. Mabuyu is a baobab snack. Blue Band. This one reminds me of my childhood. It was a constant in the mornings and after school when it was spread on bread to accompany tea. This tea was recommended to me, so I can't wait to try it. If I like it, I'll send for more. I bought this glucose just for the fun of it and to use it as a conversation starter with my kids. I remember taking this after running on athletics days at school. I wanted to buy tropical mints, but they were not available, so I got these instead, plus this cute little tool. I believe it's for manually hand blending vegetables. I also got some Kericho Gold tea bags. The box got squashed in the bag. And lastly, I have these seasoning cubes, but the ones I'm looking forward to the most are the chili beef cubes. I'll arrange these properly later, so I quickly put these items away to start preparing lunch. For lunch, we're having spaghetti with minced beef. To ensure everything is quick, I gathered everything I need as it doesn't take long to cook this. I prep the onions and tomatoes and start cooking. I saute the onions in olive oil, and once they start browning, I add the tomatoes and saute the two for another minute or two before adding the meat. Once the meat goes in, I stir while breaking it apart. I add a little water and keep stirring. At this point, I add black pepper, Vegeta, cinnamon stick, and seasoning cube. I'm using chicken, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. I add ginger paste, basil paste, mixed herbs, coriander powder, and tomato paste. I add a little water and stir to combine, then cook this covered on a medium to low flame. All the ingredients and quantities used are in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. I boil water for the spaghetti. Once the water comes to a full boil, I add a tablespoon of salt and cooking oil. I break the spaghetti into two because it's manageable for my young ones. However, feel free to cook them whole if preferred. I add the spaghetti and stir, then let it cook according to packet instructions. You can always cook it for a minute or two longer than the packet instructions if you like your pasta on the softer side. As this cooks, I check the minced beef and it is cooked and it smells amazing. I adjust salt to taste, add cumin powder and garlic paste. I mix to incorporate everything and let it simmer on low for 5 minutes. The pasta is now cooked. I add the minced beef into the pasta and mix gently to combine. Then I serve it immediately because the kids were getting impatient. You can serve this as it is or add some freshly grated cheese on top. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and consider using the new hype feature to hype this video. This helps YouTube's algorithms recommend the video to more people. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.